Morning guys, so as you can see my girl's getting big. Hopefully I can get the Defender sorted before she's 21. Wife doesn't think that will happen soon, but it should. Anyway, today I want to tackle the Defender's rear door. The lock gets sticky and sometimes you struggle to open it. I think it's quite a common issue, dust going in and so forth, but yeah, let me take you through the process. Enjoy the video, it's insightful. Another thing I want to do, I want to remove the rear lock, clean it out with a proper degreaser. As you can see, there is some dirt built up. Sometimes I struggle to open it. I've got some silicone spray. That's a non-conductive lubricant, that works well in places where you don't want to attract dust and that type of thing. So I'm going to put that on the inside. For me, it's easy to jump in the back and open it, but for my wife, it becomes a Land Rover issue. So that is the next thing I'm going to tackle. And yeah, so as you know, opening this door, got a gas strut in this, that's quite nice, but I have to remove this rear door card, clean everything out. You can see the dust gets in here, so clean everything off nicely, remove the lock and basically wash it out with a degreaser and put some silicone lubricant. A lot of guys or mechanics tend to put in Q20 or normal bearing lubricants which attracts dust and then ends up becoming a mission to open this lock. Sometimes you need to jump in the back, and if you've got a car full of stuff, opening the lock from the back and it doesn't open, it's really an issue. Okay guys, so I grabbed a bucket. I'm gonna, as you can see, there's dust everywhere, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in the degreaser and clean it up. Okay guys, so this is stuff I got from Danny, a friend of mine that is our Land Rover expert. Apparently this takes anything that's oily or greasy and cleans it. The only problem is that you shouldn't get it on your paint. Clean the back of the door. I've got this, what is it called, tool in a can. It's a lubricant that doesn't attract dust and it's non-conductive, so you can use it in quite a lot of space. For instance, if you've got a car that the windows just doesn't wind down easily, you can put this in the track of the windscreen and it makes it run quite smooth. So the idea is to take this rear door lock that I've cleaned up and put lubricant everywhere. As you know, they do tend to quite easily get sticky and stuff like that, so I'm trying to avoid any situations where I need to remove the lock unnecessarily. Another thing worth mentioning, I'm using a metal straw just to make sure I get the lubricant in where I want it. Yeah, these cans didn't come with a straw. Okay, so that was probably overkill, but I'll wipe it off and you can see it's like a water. It doesn't even feel oily, to be honest. So I'm gonna wipe it off, put it back, and yeah, then you should have a smooth door at the back. Okay guys, so just for information, this basically pops open. So what I've done is there's a screw inside that flares it open, and when you remove it, I just use a screwdriver to pry it out. Then yeah, there's also a plastic cover that pops over this end here. The key gets stuck in the slot every now and again, so the advice I got from our local Land Rover mechanic is to use some Vaseline, put it on the key and get it in there. Okay guys, so I just added some Vaseline everywhere. Everything feels quite smooth, so I think I'm done. I'm just gonna close it up and yeah. Morning guys, yeah, so just a few days later and I thought I'll just give you a review on the lock. Definitely worth doing, it's a lot smoother. Anyone can open it now, even my 5-year-old, so yeah, just get into it, get it done, and
make sure you're ready for the next few years. Thanks for watching. I hope that was insightful, and yeah, have a good whatever.